Stop scrolling if you have a sweet tooth. Today we are making the Hulk of all candies. Start by melting butter until it looks like liquid gold. Now drown it in a mountain of marshmallows. This is my arm workout for the day. Cardio can wait. Keep stirring until it becomes a sticky, delicious mess. Do not burn it. Look at that shine, it is smoother than my pickup lines. Adding the secret green potion, yes, it is matcha tea powder. Mix it like you are a mad scientist creating life. Now we have a giant green slime monster, but tasty. Check that stretch yoga instructors are jealous. Snowstorm time, dump in the milk powder. Fold it and gently treat it like a baby made of sugar. If you see white powder, keep mixing. We do not waste anything. And boom, non-stick perfection, ready for the next level. Pour it onto a bed of white chocolate chips because why not? Massage the chocolate into the green dough, very therapeutic. Keep folding until every bite is guaranteed to give you a sugar rush. Into the mold it goes, smash it down flat, no escape. Top it with expensive pistachios and dark fruits, looks fancy, right? Press them in like you are packing a suitcase for vacation. Make sure it is tight and flat. Perfection takes pressure. Slice it up. Look at that cross-section, pure art.